Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start doing these phonics pages. Some of it is a review and some of it is going to be some new concepts. But real quick, I wanted to show you how to make this easier. These pages are not included in your packet because you can do everything on the slide. Using slides is easy to make things because you can put stuff where you want it, but the only bad part about using slides is that it's a little bit small. So if you, let me find my mouse, if you want to make it bigger, there is the magnifying glass over here, and you click that and then click your page. You have to make sure that you click this magnifying glass again. See how it's like a pink or peachish color? You'll want to unclick that so that way it goes back to gray, and then, oh, I went the wrong way. You can drag your page over and it's a little bit bigger so that way you can see it. Okay. So for your name and your date, you can figure that out, I hope. And for the date, not only do we have to practice writing a new month of January or the number 1, but now we have to practice writing a new year. And I'm probably going to get it wrong for the first 2 months, but that's okay. For day 1, it says read, write, and color each word. So you're going to read this word, and then this is where you're going to type each word. So these are called sound boxes, and the tall boxes represent taller letters, and then the short boxes represent short letters. So all you have to do is click the box and then type the letter, so that way you are typing the word. And then it says circle each word. Notice that there's blue circles over here to the right hand side. You're just going to click on the circle and drag it over the word that this says, okay? So find the picture that matches this word. This says day 2, but we're going to do this one as well. So for day 2, we're going to match the beginning sound to the pictures and write them on the line. I know that you're probably like, Mrs. Rentschler, I already know how to do this. Like I said, some of this stuff is going to be a review, and we can always use practice, okay? So we're reviewing, we're practicing, but we're also going to be building on these skills too, okay? So you're going to say, okay, this is a heart. What is the first sound that I hear in heart? This is a skill that like I still have to use sometimes too when I'm sounding out words. Spelling's not something that I'm like super duper awesome at. So sometimes I will sound out the word to spell it. And in order to sound out the word, I have to know what sounds I'm making or what sounds I hear. So this is another good way to practice that. You don't have to make it smaller before you turn it in. I just wanted to show you how to make it bigger and then kind of walk you through the page so that way you knew what you were doing. And again, even though it says day 1 and day 2, for each day that I assign you like one whole page, we're doing that whole page on that day. So do both day 1 and 2, and then don't forget to turn it in.